you want to know the easiest way to add the HTML in your JavaScript? Hey everyone, welcome to the 5th day of the JS in 30 days series, and in this video we will learn about the modern way of writing HTML in JavaScript with string template literals. So without wasting no more time, let's go to the code. So in last video, we did the logic for doing the filters and search functionality to our to-do list. And in this video, moving on with the string template literals. So string template literals is basically a way of writing code, and it actually makes it the code easier for us to read instead of the string concatenation that we do. So if I do just const and I write username in the console bar, here you may see, let's just increase the font size, and const username, and I can keep one string here, so it's just my name. And then what I'll do, I just want to add a string, so hello and with my name, so hello and username, and here I want a space. So this is the string that is coming. So username is coming from this variable that we created with const and plus. But the same way, if I want to do this, I can also do this backticks. This is called backticks, and it's not single quotes or double quotes. Backticks you will find on the top left of your keyboard, just below the escape key. So you just need to add the backticks, and then you can simply write anything that is string, and wherever you want to add the variable, and wherever you want to add the variable, you can just use dollar and curly braces, and inside this curly braces you need to add the variable name. So I'll write username here, and if I do this, you can see the output that we are getting is completely same. So this is just a way of making your code looking very easier to read and better in terms of usability and understandability. And if I check the code, it's not something new. It is one thing that we have already been using in the past videos. So here, if you see in the show all tasks, we were creating this tasks array, and it was in for each. And inside this, what we are doing is, first we just initialized this with let rows HTML, and we were running a loop. We were using for each, and for every task in the task array, what we were doing, we were creating its HTML, and this HTML we were actually we had to write the HTML, so and we want to make it dynamic. So it is not a normal HTML, it is dynamic HTML, and we were creating it with the help of this backticks and string template literal. Also moving on, we were also using it here when we were creating the options for our status array, and it's not something that you need to use this only. Before it was introduced, we were using string concatenation, and if I write one code with the string concatenation, we can also write this. Let's write it using the string concatenation, and I'll comment this one. So this is one way, and the other way is that you can just use double quotes. Here also you will need to use the double quotes, and now here you will actually just mix it up. So now we will not be using this curly braces and dollar. Instead, what we have to do is that we will add this double quotes, and we will concatenate with plus. So whatever the string part is, it will come inside the quotes, and whatever the dynamic part, that will be in the plus. That will be we will add it using the plus. So here it's td, so td will also be the same. We will use double quotes, and we will change its position. Yeah, and now for this logic, because this was a conditional thing, and there is a principle, because plus comes and the logic, so we need to actually wrap it down. We will again add a plus here, and we will wrap it inside a bracket, and then we will take all of this complete logic till this completed, and we will remove it. Again a back plus, and then again a double quotes. Here I'll add change its position, and also this Okay, so the error is removed, but here we need to add the logic, so I'll just paste it out. And if t status is 0, then again I'll remove this from here. We'll be adding the double quotes, and it is already in double quotes, nothing needs to be changed here. And this also I'll need to change to double quotes. Okay, this part still giving errors because this is a class and we don't want to separate it. So when we were using double quotes here, so we need to use the single quotes inside it, because here we don't want to intentionally break the string. So now no errors. If we check on the browser, and I'll just close this, and if I add something, okay, there is some breakage. Let's see where we have made the mistake. So okay, id is not coming. Here we are not adding the name, so we also need to add the name here, because that is majorly the first column data. So if I add now something, yes, it's coming. And if I mark it complete, there is one more thing that we are missing. It's this id. So again, we want it to be the dynamic one, so I'll add here. I'll remove this, again adding here. I'll use plus. Here also it is extra. So now this data id is also dynamic, and if I again check, I'll add 2 items. If I mark it complete, then it's working fine. Okay, so it's now working completely fine. So these are the two ways by which we can use the add the HTML to the code. And this is just a very small topic, but I would rather recommend that you should always use the string template literals, because first thing, it makes your code easy to read and easy to work with, and second thing, that it is one of the new introduced feature. Like this is the approach that we did here. It's quite old, so we should always prefer the modern syntax. So that's why these are the two reasons. And that's it for this video. In next video we will learn something new, and we'll make another video on the JS 30-day series. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will learn another topic in the JS in 30-day series. Stay tuned for the next video, and thank you for your love and support. Thank you for watching.